off to drop 2 of the children off. Leah's gonna stay with me because she's got eye doctor. So yeah. Oh, because that can flip us. Laying in a splash pad. You don't like it? Just let him crawl. Well, we have an angry baby because it is almost 3 o'clock. We've been here for an hour. She's here. She is here. Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
She's buckling the baby. And we're going to go get her some coffee. The child, some coffee. Oh shoot, that's why it breaks.
Yeah, that's what happened.
Eye doctor.
Oh, my pocket.
She got her eyes dilated at the doctor. And they said her eyes are freaking horrible, of course. But she just needs to wear her glasses. And now she just looks like a cute little angry old lady. Alright, we are off to the fair again. Just to ride some rides. I'm trying to buckle, sorry.
And eat some fair food.
And eat some fair food. I can't buckle.
Ain't that hot?
Here we go. We walked all the way over there. I'm hot and out of breath. Walked all the way over there. And I forgot the money in the car. Here's our food.
Oh, they're recording?
He loves it.
I know you were recording.
There's a $8 lemonade. But it's good. First ride of the day. She's creeping at me. I forgot white bees. There goes Bia by herself. I think she's nervous. She just ate chili cheese fries, so it may be a festival. This one gets loud though and freaks me out. I'm gonna try to record it. Hey. Right there. What was that? Is it scary? Couple more years, Betty. I think she's bored because she's by herself. But now it's break time. So he's playing in the dirt. And we brought no white bees. People are freaking out because seatbelts just fell off of this big one that flips. Like, I mean, fell off the whole ride. So Leah won't be riding that no more. He finally fell asleep. Here's some of the demo derby. When I was young, I used to love that too. All she wanted was to see it at night, so I'm a little too close to that one. But I'm really tired. And the baby took a nap for about an hour and then he woke up with the demo derby. So we're gonna go to bed. We've been here for 4.5 hours. It's hard to see because my car just wanted a cold water and there's none. No? Yeah. She's just at the machine right here. Oh, life of being poor. I get paid on Monday and then it's gone again. I'm trying to find her. Oh, there she is. He crawled up here by himself, onto the couch by himself, which he never does, for his bye dogs that was sitting there. Now he's beating up his sister. Night night, baby. My daughter is having me make nachos at 10:30 at night. I forgot to end it last night, so good morning. It's time to go pick up the other kids already. So this vlog's gonna be dropping them off and picking them up because I suck. We are here way early again, as per usual. Leah's popping up back there. There's food on me, also as per usual. And we're gonna see if Shaden remembers to go to the splash pad or not. He remembered. But it's okay. The baby doesn't like it, so we're just gonna wait in the car, and I told them, hurry it up. Hurry it up.